Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are good in revising maths. Today we'll start with our new topic of our chapter, fractions. So our next topic is simplest form of the fraction. Let's see what is the simplest form of the fraction. Every fraction has one equivalent fraction which is called simplest form of the fraction. That means that every fraction which is not in its simplest form have the equivalent fraction, and that equivalent fraction is called its simplest form. Let's make it more clear. A fraction is in its simplest form when its numerator and denominator do not have any common factor except 1, that is when their HCF is 1. So कोई फ्रैक्शन अपनी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कब होता है? जब उसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का कॉमन फैक्टर 1 के अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं होता. अगर हम दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर्स को फाइंड आउट करें तो सिर्फ 1 एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर आना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स उनका HCF 1 आना चाहिए, तभी वो फ्रैक्शन अपनी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में होता है. सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स. हियर वी हैव टू फ्रैक्शंस. First is 8 by 12 and second is 16 by 35. See the first one, 8 by 12. 8 and 12 have 2 and 4 as a common factor, so they are not in their simplest form. So if we find out the common factors of 8 and 12, the common factors are 2 and 4. So when a fraction is having कॉमन फैक्टर्स अदर देन 1 से ज़्यादा जब उसके कॉमन फैक्टर्स होते हैं 1 के अलावा, तब वो फ्रैक्शन अपनी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं होता है. सो द नंबर 8 by 12 इज नॉट इन इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. सी द नेक्स्ट नंबर 16 by 35. द HCF of 16 and 35 is 1, that is they do not have any other common factor. So the fraction 16 by 35 is in its simplest form. So here we can see that the number 16 and 35 are having HCF 1. अगर हम इनका HCF find out करेंगे तो we will get the HCF 1. So they are not having any other common factor. That means they are in its simplest form. Now see how we can reduce the fraction to its simplest form. हम किसी भी fraction को उसकी simplest form में कैसे change कर सकते हैं? See the example, reduce 42 by 70 to the simplest form. So here we have two methods to bring the number to its simplest form. One is by using the HCF and second is by cancelling or removing common factors in steps. First we will reduce the fraction by using the HCF method. So first we will find out the HCF of both the numbers. पहले हम दोनों numbers का HCF find out कर लेंगे, 42 and 70. So the HCF of 42 and 70 is 14. Now we will divide both the numbers by 14. हम 14 से दोनों numbers को divide कर देंगे जो कि उनका HCF है. So we will divide both the numbers by 14. We get the fraction 3 by 5, and this fraction 3 by 5 is the simplest form of the fraction 42 by 70. जो fraction हमको divide करने के बाद मिला है HCF से 3 by 5, ये 42 and 70 fraction का simplest form है. Now see the next method. In the next method, what we do, we cancel the number by the common factors in steps. So we will divide the fraction 42 by 70 by their common factor. So by what common factor we can divide both the numbers? We can divide them by 2. हम 2 से इन दोनों को divide कर सकते हैं पहले. So after dividing both the numbers by 2, we get 21 by 35. Now 21 by 35 can also be divided further. So what common factor they can be divided by? They can be divided by 7. 7 ऐसा number है जिससे दोनों numbers को हम divide कर सकते हैं. So after dividing both the numbers by 7, what we get? We get 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is the simplest form of the fraction 42 by 70. ऐसे ही कॉमन फैक्टर्स से कैंसिल करके हम सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So these are the two methods by which we can find out the simplest form of the numbers. Now let's solve our exercise. See the first question. Express the following as fraction. So we have to express the following terms as fraction. See the first one. 1/10. That means 1 part of 10 parts. 1/10 का मतलब क्या होता है? 10 parts में से हमें 1 part को represent करना है. So how we will represent it as fraction? We will write it as 1/10. Now next one, 3/7 means 3 parts of total 7 parts. So we will write it as 3/7. See the next one, 5/9. That means 5 parts of total 9 parts. So we will write it as 5/9. So this is how we write the following terms as fractions. Now see the next example. Ram brought 4 sandwiches in school. Sham brought 5 patties. Sonia brought 10 biscuits and Anita brought 3 apples. Find the fraction of total number of items bought by different persons. So here are 4 friends and these 4 friends bought different things to the school. 4 friends है Ram, Sham, Sonia and Anita. They bring different things to the school in different numbers. Ram 4 sandwiches लेके आया है, Sham 5 patties लेके आया है, Sonia 10 biscuits लेके आई है और Anita 3 apples लेके आई है. Now we have to tell the fraction of the total items brought by different people. So हमें फ्रैक्शन बताना है जो भी ये डिफरेंट पीपल है वो थिंग्स लेकर आए हैं उसका. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सैंडविचेस. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स बॉट बाय देम. सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स बॉट बाय देम इज इक्वल्स टू 4 + 5 + 10 + 3 that is equals to 22 and the number of sandwiches are 4. So the fraction of sandwiches is equals to 4/22 as 4 are the number of sandwiches and 22 are the total number of items bought by them. Now see next, patties. So total number of items is equals to 22 and number of patties are 5. So the fraction of patties is equals to 5/22. See the next, biscuits. First we will write the total number of items. So total number of items is equals to 22 and number of biscuits are 10. So the fraction of biscuits is equals to 10/22. Next is apples. First we will write the total number of items that is equals to 22 and the number of apples is equals to 3. So the fraction of apples is equals to 3/22. So this is how we write down the fraction of different items bought by the different people. Now see the next question. In a class out of 50 students, 15 students failed in mathematics. Find the fraction of. So here in a class there are 50 students. एक क्लास है जिसमें 50 स्टूडेंट्स है और उसमें से 15 स्टूडेंट्स मैथ्स में फेल हो जाते हैं. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स फेल्ड इन मैथमेटिक्स. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ फेल्ड स्टूडेंट्स and then students passed in mathematics and then we have to find out the fraction of students passed in mathematics. First we will find out the fraction of students failed in mathematics. So the total number of students are is equals to 50 and the number of students failed in mathematics is equals to 15. So the fraction of students failed in mathematics is equals to 15/30. Or we can write it as 3/10 by simplifying it. 15/50 को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 3/10 मिलेगा. 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे दोनों नंबर्स को. So we will get 3/10 as the simplest form. Now see the next, students passed in mathematics. So we will write the total number of students, that is 50, and the number of students passed in mathematics, that is equals to 35. 50 minus 15, that is equals to 35. So the fraction of students passed in mathematics, that is equals to 35 by 50, and we can simplify it by dividing it by 5. 5 से दोनों नंबर्स को डिवाइड करके हम इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज 7 by 10. See the next question. Write the numbers 1 to 10. Write the fractions of the. So first we have to write down all the numbers from 1 to 10, and then we have to write down the fractions of the given situation. So first we will write all the numbers from 1 to 10. 1 से लेके 10 तक हम सारे numbers को note down कर लेंगे. Now the first fraction that we have to write down is odd numbers. पहले हमें odd numbers का fraction लिखना है. So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we have 5 odd numbers. So the fraction of 5 odd numbers is equals to 5 by 10. Or we can also write it as 1 by 2 after dividing it by 5. हम 5 से इसको डिवाइड करने के बाद इसको 1 by 2 भी लिख सकते हैं as its simplest form. Next is even numbers. So the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we have 5 even numbers. So the fraction of even numbers is equals to 5 by 10, or we can also write it as 1 by 2. Next is prime numbers. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So we have 4 prime numbers. So the fraction of prime numbers is equals to 4 by 10, as we have 4 prime numbers and total number are 10. So the fraction of prime numbers is equals to 4 by 10, or we can also write it as 2 by 5. इसको simplify कर कर हम इसको 2 by 5 भी लिख सकते हैं. Next is composite number. So the composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. So we have 5 composite numbers. So the fraction of composite numbers is equals to 5 by 10, or we can also write it as 1 by 2. हम इसको इसकी simplest form में भी लिख सकते हैं as 1 by 2. So this is how we write down the fractions of the following situations given to us. Now see the next question. What fraction is 300 meter of 1 kilometer? हमें 300 meter to 1 kilometer का fraction write down करना है. लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारे पास दोनों different quantities हैं, और हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं या फ्रैक्शन में लिखते हैं तो हमारी क्वांटिटीज हमेशा सेम होनी चाहिए. अगर मीटर है तो दोनों नंबर्स मीटर में होने चाहिए, अगर किलोमीटर है तो दोनों क्वांटिटीज किलोमीटर में होनी चाहिए. सो हियर वी विल चेंज 1 kilometer into 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So the fraction of 300 meter of 1 kilometer is equals to 300 by 1000, or we can also write it as 3 by 10 by simplifying it. हम इसे simplify कर 3 by 10 भी लिख सकते हैं. See the next question. What fraction is 10 minutes of an hour? Now here we have to write the fraction of 10 minutes to 1 hour. So first we will change 1 hour into minutes, that is equals to 60 minutes. Now we will write the fraction. So fraction is equals to 10 by 60, or we can also write it as 1 by 6 after simplifying it. हम इसे simplify करने के बाद as 1 by 6 भी लिख सकते हैं. Now see the next question. In a series of cricket matches between India and Australia, India won 3 matches out of 8 matches played between the two countries. Find the fraction of. So here 8 matches are played between India and Australia. India और Australia ने 8 matches play करे, जिसमें से 3 matches India जीत गया. अब हमें fraction note down करना है. पहले कि इंडिया ने कितने मैचेस जीते, और फिर नेक्स्ट हमें नोट डाउन करना है कि इंडिया ने कितने मैचेस लूज करे, उसका फ्रैक्शन नोट डाउन करना है. तो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट डाउन द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मैचेस वॉन बाय इंडिया. सी द सोल्यूशन. टोटल नंबर ऑफ मैचेस प्लेड बिटवीन द टू कंट्रीज दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 8. टोटल मैचेस उन्होंने कितने प्ले करे, 8 मैचेस प्ले करे. एंड नंबर ऑफ मैचेस वॉन बाय इंडिया, और इंडिया ने कितने मैचेस जीते, 3 मैचेस जीते. सो द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मैचेस वॉन बाय इंडिया इज इक्वल्स टू 3/8. सो फ्रैक्शन क्या हुआ वॉन मैचेस का, 3/8. नाउ सी fraction of matches lost by India. First we will write total number of matches played between the two countries are 8 and the number of matches lost by India, India ने कितने matches हार गया, 5 matches हार गया, as 8 minus 3 that is equals to 5. So the fraction of matches lost by India is equals to 5/8. Hope you have understood all the questions that we have discussed today. So keep revising and practicing. Thank you.